Hello everyone, in this video we're going to discuss how you can set up screen off and sleep time in your Windows PC or laptop. So it's very simple to do. All you have to do is to open the settings from start menu, and in the setting option you will find the various options, and on the fifth option you will find an option of power. While clicking on it you will see another various options, and on the power section you will see the first option, screen and sleep. While clicking on it, it will expand and you can see here the screen off and sleep time. You can simply adjust it the way you want, but there's a condition. If you have been set up a lock screen slideshow, the screen off and sleep option will not be available for you, as once you are not using your PC will automatically go through the lock screen slideshow and these options are of no use. So you have to first disable the slideshow option, and from here you can set up the screen off time and the sleep time as per your convenience. You can see there are various options available for you to be selected, so you can select them as per your convenience. So that's a very informative and quick tutorial. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more such interesting videos. See you in the next one. Take care.